The human brain. A marvel of biological engineering, it is the most complex organ in the human body and arguably the most fascinating. An organ of astonishing complexity, a universe unto itself. Within its intricate folds and networks lies the essence of who we are. It's the seat of your consciousness, the place where your thoughts, dreams, and memories reside. The architect of your actions, guiding every movement and decision you make, from the simplest to the most complex. The composer of your emotions, orchestrating the symphony of feelings that color your experiences. Weighing in at a mere 3 pounds, it holds the keys to understanding what makes us human. Despite its small size, it is incredibly powerful. But how does this biological marvel work? How do billions of neurons and trillions of connections come together to create the mind? How does this intricate network of cells give rise to thought, feeling, and behavior? These are questions that have fascinated scientists for centuries. Join us as we embark on a journey to unlock the mysteries of the human brain. We will delve deep into its structure and function. We will explore its intricate anatomy, from the outer cortex to the inner core, and understand how each part contributes to the whole. Delve into its remarkable functions such as memory, language, and vision, and see how they are interconnected, and marvel at its incredible capabilities. From solving complex problems to creating art, the brain's potential is limitless. Prepare to be amazed by the organ that is, quite literally, the center of your world. It shapes your reality and defines your existence. This journey will challenge your assumptions and reveal the latest discoveries in neuroscience, and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the intricate workings of the most complex object known to humankind. The brain is not just an organ, it is the essence of our being. So buckle up and get ready to explore the universe inside your head. This is a journey you won't want to miss. To navigate the complexity of the brain, let's start with a simplified model, the triune brain. This model, though simplified, offers a foundational understanding of how our brain has evolved over millions of years. It breaks down the brain into 3 distinct yet interconnected parts, each with its own unique evolutionary history and specialized functions. This model divides the brain into 3 interconnected parts, each with its own evolutionary history and specialized functions. These parts are the reptilian brain, the limbic system, and the cerebrum. Each of these components plays a crucial role in our daily lives, from basic survival to complex thought processes. At the base of the skull, we find the reptilian brain, the oldest part in evolutionary terms. This primitive region is responsible for our most basic survival instincts. It governs essential functions that keep us alive, such as heart rate, breathing, and the fight or flight response. This region controls vital life functions like breathing, heart rate, and basic instincts. Without the reptilian brain, we wouldn't be able to perform these automatic functions that are crucial for our survival. It's fascinating to think that this ancient part of our brain is still so vital to our everyday existence. Moving upward, we encounter the limbic system, often referred to as the emotional brain. This part of the brain is essential for our emotional life and has a significant influence on our behavior. It helps us form memories, experience emotions, and is deeply involved in our motivation and learning processes. This area plays a crucial role in processing emotions, forming memories, and regulating motivation and learning. The limbic system allows us to connect with others on an emotional level, remember past experiences, and learn from them. It's what makes us feel joy, sadness, fear, and love. Finally, we reach the cerebrum, the largest and most evolved part of the human brain. This region is responsible for the higher-level cognitive functions that set humans apart from other species. It enables us to think, reason, plan, and communicate in complex ways. This wrinkled, walnut-shaped structure is responsible for higher-level cognitive functions like language, reasoning, and planning. The cerebrum's intricate folds and grooves increase its surface area, allowing for a greater number of neurons and more complex neural connections. This complexity is what enables us to engage in abstract thinking, solve problems, and create art and technology, while a simplified model, the triune brain, provides a useful framework for understanding the brain's organization and the interplay between its different regions. By examining these 3 parts, we gain insight into how our brain has developed over time and how it functions as a whole. This model helps us appreciate the complexity and wonder of the human brain, from its ancient roots to its modern capabilities. The cerebrum, the brain's command center, is further divided into 4 lobes, each specializing in different functions. These lobes are the frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal lobes, each playing a unique role in our daily lives and overall brain function. At the front, the frontal lobe governs executive functions, decision-making, planning, and personality. It is the seat of our reasoning and problem-solving abilities, allowing us to plan for the future and make informed decisions. This lobe also influences our behavior and emotional responses, shaping who we are as individuals. Behind it lies the parietal lobe, responsible for processing sensory information from the body, including touch, temperature, and spatial awareness. This lobe helps us navigate our environment by integrating sensory input to form a coherent picture of the world around us. It also plays a role in coordinating movements and understanding spatial relationships. Moving towards the back, we find the occipital lobe, dedicated to processing visual information from the eyes. This lobe is essential for interpreting everything we see, from recognizing faces to reading text. It allows us to make sense of visual stimuli and respond appropriately to our surroundings. Finally, nestled beneath the parietal and occipital lobes, the temporal lobe plays a crucial role in auditory processing, language comprehension, and memory formation. This lobe helps us understand spoken language, appreciate music, and store memories. It is also involved in recognizing and processing emotions, contributing to our social interactions. These lobes work in concert, constantly exchanging information to create a seamless experience of the world. The intricate communication between them ensures that we can think, feel, and interact with our environment in a coordinated and efficient manner, highlighting the incredible complexity and capability of the human brain. The brain doesn't just reside in your head, it extends its influence throughout your entire body through a vast network of nerves. Like a skilled conductor leading an orchestra, the brain sends and receives signals, controlling everything from voluntary movements to involuntary functions like breathing and digestion. This communication highway is bidirectional, meaning the body also sends information back to the brain, providing constant feedback about the external and internal environment. This intricate interplay between brain and body highlights the interconnectedness of our biological systems. Section 5. The brain's communication superhighway neurons in action. The brain's remarkable abilities stem from its fundamental building blocks, neurons. These specialized cells are the brain's communication specialists, transmitting information through electrical and chemical signals. Imagine a vast network of interconnected roads with neurons as the vehicles carrying information throughout the brain. When you think, feel, or act, it's the result of billions of neurons firing in concert. This electrochemical symphony is the basis of all our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Understanding how neurons communicate is key to unlocking the secrets of the brain's incredible processing power. Section 6. Shaping the brain, plasticity and learning. The brain is not a static organ, it's constantly changing and adapting throughout life in response to experiences. This remarkable ability, known as neuroplasticity, allows the brain to rewire itself, forming new connections and strengthening existing ones. Every time you learn something new, practice a skill, or even just have a new experience, you're shaping the physical structure of your brain. This constant reshaping highlights the brain's incredible capacity for learning, adaptation, and growth. Section 7. Unlocking the Vault, Mysteries of Memory. Memory, a cornerstone of our identity, is one of the most fascinating and elusive aspects of the human brain. While the exact mechanisms remain a mystery, we know that memories are not stored in a single location, but rather distributed throughout the brain as intricate networks of neural connections. Different types of memories, such as short-term, long-term, and emotional memories, involve different brain regions and pathways. Unraveling the complexities of memory is crucial to understanding how we learn, how we form our identities, and how we navigate the world. Section 8. The future of the brain. As we delve deeper into the brain's inner workings, we stand on the precipice of a new era of discovery. Advances in brain imaging techniques, artificial intelligence, and neuroscience research are rapidly expanding our understanding of this complex organ. These advancements hold immense promise for developing new treatments for neurological disorders, unlocking the full potential of human cognition, and even merging biological and artificial intelligence. The future of brain research is bright, filled with the potential to reshape our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Section 9. A universe of potential. The human brain, a universe of unimaginable complexity and potential, remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. By unraveling its secrets, we gain a deeper understanding of what makes us human. Our thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and our capacity for love, creativity, and innovation. The journey of discovery has just begun, and with each new insight, we unlock a new dimension of the universe within. As we continue to explore the brain's intricate workings, we can look forward to a future shaped by a deeper understanding of ourselves and the boundless potential of the human mind.